Some countries are planting more trees to fight pollution. Some countries are planting more trees to fight pollution.
Many families eat dinner together to stay connected. Many families eat dinner together to stay connected.
Organizing notes helps with final exam preparation. Organizing notes helps with final exam preparation.
Laptops are important tools for work and study. Laptops are important tools for work and study.
Yoga is good for both body and mind. Yoga is good for both body and mind.
Time management is key to finishing tasks on time. Time management is key to finishing tasks on time.
The moon affects tides in oceans around the world. The moon affects tides in oceans around the world.
Advertisements try to change how people think or act. Advertisements try to change how people think or act.
Businesses grow by selling good products or services. Businesses grow by selling good products or services.
Asking questions is a great way to learn. Asking questions is a great way to learn.
The weather is becoming more extreme in many places. The weather is becoming more extreme in many places.
More people are working from home than ever before. More people are working from home than ever before.
Some students prefer quiet places for studying. Some students prefer quiet places for studying.
Social media helps people share ideas and news. Social media helps people share ideas and news.
It's better to eat homemade food than fast food. It's better to eat homemade food than fast food.